So London just opened a pretty simple TA for Bitcoin today. But before we get into what I'm expecting throughout the week, uh, I just want to see first what we got on the Forex factory calendar. Basically, all the red folders, high impact news for this week. It looks like we're gonna get some pretty interesting data. I think that's that. This is probably the NFP, right? Non-farm payrolls. No, it's employment change, so that's probably different. But we do have some core retail sales, unemployment rate, PMI flash services, and then unemployment claims. You got CPI. Yeah, we got CPI and then core CPI, but it's still tentative on Thursday, the core CPI, but we have CPI. I think this for the year. But we got some red folders this week, and I'm pretty excited to trade this while traveling. So what am I expecting for Bitcoin? Basically, we are still on this chop range, possible forming like a bottom signal, bottom accumulation range. And I did close my short right here. I will show you my PNL. I'll flash it around this area. So the reason why I took this short right here was we basically went up the whole week, and we kept on rejecting at this level, this volume right here, and we took out some pretty good liquidity levels, I would say. So I was like, it's Friday, and there was no other levels for us to tap above, and it was very clear even after the rate cut. We didn't even break out. We didn't have a news candle. So I was pretty confident with that short. Shout out to Isaac for also giving us a signal, and pretty happy with a 3R on Bitcoin. Did take some profits right here just before leaving the island. So pretty happy, and good thing I set profits because we pumped. I would have lose a lot from that, but I wish I would long because we did bounce from the golden pocket right here, and we took out a weekend low. So we actually might pump. I would say I would entertain a long if we change market structure. Maybe we get above this level, back test something like this, like that. So you could long right there, stop. It's a pretty steep, and then your target will be here. But just manage your size. But I might be entertaining some longs. It's also pretty hard because you're basically in the middle. Longing this could just drop fast, but it could also pump. So I'm not shorting here. I'm not longing here right now. I think it's best to wait for Monday's price action. Wait for it to play out, because on the upside, we still have some targets for some low resistance liquidity. So if we could get above here, there's possible that we could get to 100K and clean this 97K, and then probably there might be a short 100K, right? But for longs, I mean, on the downside, we've cleared all this liquidity. This ugly lows, cleared everything, and then if we lose this, the POC, then we're probably gonna come down for this, right? So, take it easy, boys. Like, please manage your size. It's December. PA is just gonna be, choppy as it is. So, I think it's best time to hang out with the family, travel, touch grass. So, all right, that's it. That is it for my TA for today, for Monday, and I'll probably update you guys on for tomorrow.